Hey guys, welcome back to Crazy Tech Tricks. In this video, I will show you how to download and install VLC Media Player on your Windows. So let's get started. Those who don't know, VLC is a free and powerful media player. So go to search bar, then type Microsoft, Microsoft Store. As you can see here on the top, you will see the Microsoft Store. Click on it. Now on the home page, go to search bar, then write VLC Media Player. VLC Player. Then press on the enter button. Now you can see here the second option VLC UWP. Click on it. Now click on the installer button. Have I already downloaded it? Click on install and open it. Now simply click on the open and that's it. You can use your VLC Media Player. So guys, if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe button for more tech tutorials. See you next video. Thanks for watching.